Want to learn how to turn any printable embellishment into an interactive folded tag? Then stick around, it's easy. I'll be sharing this printable page of embellishments for free during the video, and you're welcome to grab a copy and make a folded tag with me. Begin by cutting out your embellishment. I like to use these micro-tip spring-assisted scissors from Fiskars. They're perfect for precision cutting like this. I'll drop my affiliate link in the video caption. Next, grab a piece of cardstock that's a little taller than your design and at least twice as wide. This cardstock will be the base of your tag, so you need it to be wide enough that when folded, your embellishment fits on the front. You can grab this page of embellishments for free on my website, scan the QR code on the screen, or I'll also drop the link in the caption below. Next, glue your embellishment on the front of the tag. Regular printer paper is a little too thin for this project. Using cardstock will give your tag a lot more stability. I recommend using cardstock for both the embellishment and the folded tag base. Once you've glued your embellishment to the front or the right side of the tag, fold your cardstock in half behind your embellishment, making sure that the folded edge lines up with how you want the tag to open. Try to fold it so that your design is right up close to the edge so that you don't leave a lot of extra white space. Now, simply cut around the outside of your embellishment design, but make sure that you leave the folded edge connected so that your tag stays intact. And that's it. It's so simple. Now you have a folded tag that's perfect for junk journals, scrapbook pages, handmade cards, happy mail. You can even use these as gift tags. Before you go, don't forget to grab your free page of printable embellishments. I'll put the QR code back up on the screen here, and you'll also find it in the caption. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.